Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to contact Metrobank Hotline with cell phone. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. What you want to do is open up your phone right now, and then you see the number for landline is 02 and then 88988 and when you call it will give you an automated voice. You want to at first press 2, then press 1, then press 2 again to connect to a customer service. If you want a domestic free like toll free number, that will be 1-800-1085-79727. And if you want a mobile, like if you it's a globe, then you're going to select the number 0917-523-3364. And if you are calling it from smart, then 094999942417. And there you go. This is how you can contact them with cell phone. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.